Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make over a little wooden truck that I found at Family Dollar. So I found this little wooden truck at Family Dollar. It was $5, and you can buy the camper that goes with it and attach it to the back of the truck. As you can see, there's like a little place for a trailer hitch. You'll need some floral foam, bunch of different kinds of flowers. These are just a bunch of stems I had, some white paint, some black paint, some brown wax, and a teal green paint. Then I also took a Dollar Tree calendar and cut out the little fresh flowers truck off the back of the Dollar Tree calendar. So the first thing I'm going to do is take some paint of the teal color and paint the entire truck that color. As you can see, I painted everything on the truck except for the rails on the back and the tires. So next I'm going to take that brown wax and I'm going to stain the racks on the back of the truck. So I'm going to stain them the front side and the back side on both sides of the truck. Once I have that all stained, I'm going to take some white paint and I'm going to paint the centers of the wheels. So this would be the quote unquote hubcaps. And this is just going to be a base coat because I'm actually going to put some silver on top of them after I get them all painted white. So I'm going to paint them on all sides, so all four of them. And then I'm going to paint the tires black. As you can see, I've already painted one side with the black on the tires. So I'm just going to do it on this side. And I just used a really small brush so I didn't make a giant mess all over the whole truck with my black paint. If you happen to get black elsewhere, just touch it up with the other paint. Once I had the tires all painted with the black, I'm going to take that silver, and it's just a metallic silver, and I'm going to do the centers of the tires with the silver. I didn't want to leave them white. I thought it was just too bright, and I thought the silver would be perfect for that. And the white gives a nice base coat to the silver, so the silver comes out as a little bit darker using the white as a base. Once I have the wheels all done, I'm going to take that little calendar piece that I had and I'm going to Mod Podge that to the side of the truck. If I had two calendars, I would have Mod Podged one to each side, but I only had one. So I'm just going to use a little bit of Mod Podge on the back of the calendar piece and I'm going to set it right on the door of the truck. Once I have that attached, I'm going to take my floral foam and I'm going to set it into the back of the truck. I didn't glue it in because I wanted to be able to change this out for different holidays and seasons if I want to, because the truck to me is pretty neutral and it can be used for like spring and summer. So I wanted to be able to use it for both. So maybe come summertime, I can put some sunflowers in it or other flowers. So for now, I'm just going to set it in there, and it's pretty tight in the back of the truck. And then I'm just going to start adding my floral pieces. So I'm just going to start adding my picks, and I'm not going to glue these in either. I'm just going to push them into the foam. And as you can see, I'm just randomly adding them. I had many different colors, so I just tried not to put, two colors next to each other. And I mean, it doesn't really matter how you do it, but just made it so that the back of that truck was really, really filled with all of these flowers. And I think this just turned out so cute, and it was so easy and so easy to change out for whatever season you want. Look how adorable that is. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please, as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.